Hey guys, it's Brandon back again with WP Guards. This video is going to be on managing WordPress pages for your WordPress site. So let's get started here. Here I'm back in my dashboard for my WordPress site. To go into the pages section, you simply go over here into this sidebar and click on the pages. Again, as we've discussed, this is going to take me to pretty much all the pages that I have created. So right now you notice that we only have one page. It's titled sample page. The author was me. I'm username, and it shows you the date that it was published. This will show if the page has any comments, depending upon if you have that functionality working. I do not believe that this page allows for comments, but that's something to keep in mind. So let's go over how to create a page. I know that we've done this in a past video, but here's just a quick refresher. Here is how to create a page. Simply, we have a title, content. So whatever content I want in the page, I'm going to type it right here. Content of page. We have some editing tools. Say I want this bold. You're able to do all that. And, this is all stuff that I'm sure you know how to use from using Microsoft Word, Google Pages, whatnot. Another cool thing is you're able to add media to pages, and all you have to do is simply go to where you want to add it and click on this button, Add Media. And it's going to show you the media library, so you're able to choose from anything that you have in the media library, and you're actually also able to upload files directly from your computer. I'm going to simply add this this car image just because it's already here, and it's going to insert it into the page. So that is pretty much how to create a page really, really fast. And again, I always recommend going to preview. So it's going to pop up here and boom, I get to look at it, say I love how it looks. That's awesome. Now there's a couple things over here. First of all, publish immediately. We're able to change this. I can actually set a date when it's going to be published. So this is really, really cool. Say if you're running a store or something and you want to run a sale page, you can publish it when the sale, when you want it to be activated. So this is a really cool functionality to take a look at. Visibility, you can add a password protection, make it private. This is going to be dealing a lot with how your users are working. So only maybe certain users will be able to have access. So that's something to keep in mind. And then the status, you can actually do different statuses. So draft means that I haven't published it yet. And I can also change pending review. So that would just, show me that I, need to moderate it, make sure that it's all up to date. This is just stuff that you can use to help yourself be organized and stuff like that. Just some cool things to keep in mind. I'm not going to worry about any of that. Here are page attributes. This is important. I can set parents. So say I want this to be the child of sample page. So this is a little bit more advanced. I wouldn't really worry about that. Template is actually important because different themes have different templates. So there's a default template, maybe there's a blog template, maybe there is a product template. Depending on what template, it's going to style your information in a different way. So this is how you can change that. That's important to know. If your website's using a bunch of different templates, you want to make sure that your content is being placed into the right thing. Again, you have some more theme specific options. This is just based off of what my theme offers. So I recommend going through here, and you can always set a featured image, and that's going to be at the top of the page, depending upon your theme again. So let's say I want to set this car as my featured image. Now I can simply, again, go to preview, make sure this was the preview page, make sure it's up to my standard. For this theme, that's how the featured image comes out. Whatever, not a big deal. I'm not going to do anything with this. But again, if I want to change where this page is going to sit, I go to edit and just say, I'm going to call this title dash page. And now I press OK. This is the URL of where the page is going to sit. So just make sure you go through everything and get all the settings correct to the way you want it. And then you can go to publish. And that is going to publish your page. And so if I go to this URL, I'm going to right click, open link in a new tab. This is the URL of that page. See, title page, that's what we set it. Here's all the information. Easy as that. Now let's go back to the pages, toolbar right here. Again, so now you see we have 2 pages. Now, if you ever wanted to edit or delete something, you can simply click on trash, and that's going to move an item to trash. And I'm going to go to trash real quick, because if there are pages that are in your trash that those links are already set. So if you notice, this one was named the same. It was called title. The other page, if I create another page with the same title, it says title-2. I need to delete this permanently to clear up that URL. So now that I did that, the / title is now open. I can use that URL without any restrictions. So if you don't need a page, I do recommend making sure you actually delete it permanently. And so that will make sure that all your URLs are all cleaned up and stuff like that. If you ever need to edit your page, you can simply go in and edit anything that you would like. And this is, again, it's going to take you to the page, self-explanatory. You're going to be able to do whatever you want with it when creating the page. So that's simply how to edit. And then also when you're on this front page, you're able to do bulk actions. So say I don't want any of these pages anymore. I'm going to bulk actions, move to trash, apply. You're able to apply filters to the pages to sort these. So this could be very useful if you have, say, hundreds and hundreds of pages. If I just want the February 2016 pages, I would go here, add filter. You can also search through here. But that is pretty much the basics on how to add a page, delete a page, edit a page, and all of the different options that you have in a page. Again, you're going to be reliant on the theme that you have and how your site works. Dependent, when you're adding a page, you're gonna have different settings dependent upon that. So it's good to be able to go into into your pages and know what options that you have. So I definitely recommend making sure you're creating pages, you're playing around with them, previewing them, seeing what each setting is able to do for you, and figuring out what you like best. So that's pretty much the basics on creating pages in WordPress. I hope that really helped and cleared up a lot of questions. Thanks for watching.